Rashad, UFC former light heavyweight champion, and I gotta say, man, I'm mad excited that Slaughterhouse and Shady getting together. They about to put rap and battle on a new platform, like a platform that has never been on before. And I love Rap Battler, man. I've been a fan since day one. And you know, I like to relate it to fighting, because in the fight game, it's mano a mano. You in each other's face and you battling, and you know right when that moment when you got them, when you broke them. And then they concede to the loss. See, that's the part that make the winning what it is when you know you got them and they know you got them. And I see that when they battling. And like I seen when Lux and Mook went at it, I seen Mook had a moment where Lux, you know, he felt what Lux was saying, and it got to him. He was hurt. He was hurt about what Lux was saying. And at that point, Lux knew he had that win. But you know what I'm saying? What I'm really excited to see is Joe Budden against my man, Hollow. Hollow did his thing last time when he went against Lux. And I didn't even see that coming. I thought Lux was just gonna mash him up, eat him up, embarrass him. But Hollow did his thing, man. Hollow had some good points. But I never seen Joe battle, but I know Joe got mad rhyme flow. But you know what I'm saying? I'm excited to see it. My man 5'9" put me on this shit, and I can't wait to see it, man. Stay tuned. Peace.
Yeah, right. If you don't have your tickets for Total Slaughter, you better go to Ticketmaster right now, because July 12th is right around the corner. Platinum VIPs are sold out, but floor seats and gold VIPs are still available. If you want to watch it on pay-per-view, I suggest you go to TotalSlaughter.tv for more info on how you can watch the live TV broadcast.